Hi, I'm going to show you how can you easily work with the JSON data in this video. So if you just click on this, it will load a sample data like this, and this is the website that you should use for JSON formatter.organization, and you can save online, you can open file, you can print JSON and copy to clipboard and other stuff. Okay, so basically I'm going to show you this feature, okay, that is filter, sort or transform content. And if you look at this, it's saying enter a gems path query to filter, sort or transform the JSON. So basically main focus is on the gems path. So I'm going to just show you the tree view first. So if you look at this, the tree view, we have employees, we have an employee array which has a 3 item, and basically what we want to say that we want to only get the first name, okay, or maybe we can just want to see the photo URL. And how can we achieve this in gems path? So you can just say that pick this employees, get rid of the dot, and once we get that, then we can say dot employee. This will give me a preview that we have that array right now. And now we can just say, look at this, 2 number is returning correctly, 1, 2 and 3. So let me show you again. So we have 2 number, we can use the 2 number and ID equals to 3, and we get the third number. If it's just a text like first name last name, we could just use first name equals Tom, and we get Tom Cruise details, and you can just, and you'll have only this dashboard data.